Hello viewers, today we are going to see about angle between two vectors. Already we have seen the dot product. Suppose a vector A vector and B vector and the angle between them is theta. So we know that A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector multiplied by cos theta. Now if we find theta, then we will get the angle between the two vectors. Okay. So now we will see one problem to understand how to find theta. Find the angle between the vectors 5i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap and 6i cap minus 8j cap minus k cap. So we need A dot B, A vector dot product with B vector. So A vector dot product with B vector. So this is A vector, 5i vector plus 3j plus 4k vector dot product with B vector, 6i vector minus 8j vector minus k vector. Now this will multiply, I will go with I, j will go with j and k will go with k. So 6 5s are 30, 8 3s are 24, minus 24, 4 into minus 1 minus 4. So 30 minus 28, which will give you 2. Next, this is A vector dot B vector whose value is 2. That means we have found out the left hand side value. Now magnitude of I vector. That means to find the magnitude of I vector, 5 square plus 3 square plus 4 square under root. 5 square plus 3 square plus 4 square for 25, 9 and 16 if you add. This will give you square root of 50, and square root of 50 is nothing but this square root of 50 can be written as square root of 25 into 2. Square root of 25 is 5, so 5 root 2. So root 50 can be written as 5 root 2. Next we will see the magnitude of B vector, 6 square minus 8 square. We can say minus 8 square or plus 8 square, both will be same. Minus 1 square, which is nothing but plus 1 square. So 6 square 36. 8 square 64 and 1 square 1. The square root of this summation is square root of 101. Now if you see this formula cos theta, you keep it here, bring this magnitude of A vector and magnitude to the other side. So cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector. What's the value? We have found the value to be 2. You substitute for A vector B vector. Then magnitude of A vector. Magnitude of A vector is root of 50, which is nothing but 5 root 2. We have written here. And magnitude of B vector. Magnitude of B vector is root of 101. Okay. Now this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2, 1 root 2 and here 1 root 2 cancel. Therefore we have root 2 divided by 5 into square root of 101. So now we want theta. So to find out theta, what we have to do? Theta is equal to cos inverse of this value. Theta is equal to cos inverse of this value. That is so theta is equal to cos inverse of root 2 divided by 5 root of 101. So if you find this value and take cos inverse, you will get theta. So that's how we have to find the angle between two vectors. So once again I repeat. So we have this formula cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector. So cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. A vector dot B vector, I with I, J with J and K with K, you got the value 2. Magnitude of A vector root 50. Root 50 can be written as 25 into square root of 25 into 2. So 25 root is 5 root 2. Magnitude of B is root of 101. You just substitute in this. So A vector dot B vector is 2 and magnitude of A vector is 5 root 2. Magnitude of B root of 101. So therefore we can find out theta is equal to cos inverse of square root of 2 divided by 5 square root of 101. So if you simplify this and take cos inverse, you will get the value of theta. That's all about finding the angle between two vectors. Hope you have understood this topic. Thanks for watching. Nandri.